We were looking at this little tool that I found online, and I'll make sure I include the link with this, pinetools.com, that does an awful lot of different things to a photograph that you have that you might want to use as a tool to make um, an image from a photograph so that you could cut it out and use it as a template. So, and here's an example of one that I have made using this so that it looks like I could cut out this flower and cut out the black and have as many times as I wanted to and have that flower shape be on whatever I am making. So I want to show you how to do this. So I started first, I have a flower image. It's just a really simple flower I found online for this demonstration. And I'm going to change it on this program to grayscale first. So here's all the different things. It does things just like Photoshop will, except you just have to be on this address. So if I'll go to grayscale and I'll choose the file, and it was called Hibiscus Tropical Flower Art. And there it is. And I suppose this is probably simple enough that I could use this, but I wanted to show you how this program works. So if I apply, then, and I'm in the grayscale, see what a nice little grayscale piece we've got. And then all you have to do is come over here where the save icon is and save it as a PNG or a JPEG. All right, so next I wanted to invert, which is right above it there. Invert means you're changing the light for the dark and the dark for the light. So I'll come and I'll go look at, if I do it as the pink one, it'll make it green, and that's not all that helpful. So I'll go and find the one that I just did. All right, and then I'll click the invert. And now I have black for the outline and gray for the flower and then white. So that'll be much easier than to make the threshold pattern from. So I'm saving that one. And then the third step was threshold. So I got to come down here and look until I can find threshold. Let's see. There it is, threshold, black and white. And I'll find the gray piece that I just did. All right, and apply. All right, so that one is too dark, and you can play with it in real time. And apply again until you get the piece that you want to. So if I was using this as a pattern, then I could save it and print it and cut out the white first and get that as a shape to repeat again. And then I could cut out the areas that are black with my X-Acto knife and have the texture in the stems and everything from the inside of it. And it's a whole lot easier to see to cut out than it is to do it out of this gray one. So threshold is just a tool to see where you want to cut and make it easier to see where you want to cut with your X-Acto knife. Okay, pretty simple. That's it.